Hello there, thanks for joining in. My name is Prasanjit. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can use Google Cloud Workstations in tandem with Duet AI, and that will help you build your applications faster with the AI-powered assistance that you get from Duet AI. So let's get started. So when we look at the console and search Cloud Workstations, you should be able to see the Cloud Workstations entry in the search, and once you get in there, you'll see the sections: Cloud Workstation Configurations, Cluster Management, and Workstation tab. So once you create the configurations and create a cluster, you'll be able to spin up your workstation machines. You can follow separate videos to understand how to set up a Google Cloud Workstation. This video is meant to help you understand how to configure Duet AI on Cloud Workstation and how Duet AI can help you with your coding capabilities when you are on a Google Cloud Workstation. So let's keep it confined to that. Well, so I have created a couple of workstations here, and I have attached configurations to these workstations. So when I start it, it'll spin up in a couple of minutes. So while that is happening, let me quickly tell you what a cloud workstation is if you are unaware. So these are fully managed development environments built to meet the needs of security sensitive enterprises. Cloud Workstation enhance the security of development environments while accelerating developer onboarding and productivity. For example, if you have a new member in your team joining in, or a contract employee, and you do not want to hand over a laptop with environment settings. So number one, onboarding that employee is a problem because it takes time, and number two, security is an issue. So with workstations, everything resides in your VPC on the cloud, so you are just giving access to the IDE that is accessible over the browser. This kind of environment will help beef up the security and enable fast development, and it will enable administrators to easily provision, scale, manage, and secure development environments. And you can also customize your development environments through your IDEs, and of course you can enable Duet AI to accelerate your programming, or even do pair programming along with Duet AI. Alright, so we have our workstation running. When we click on launch, it launches IDE interface on the browser, and once that opens up, you will see IDE ready to go. And if your project where you're hosting your workstation has Duet enabled, then you will already have Duet AI here on the sidebar, and Cloud Code extension as well. Now if you're unaware how to enable Duet AI on a project, then you can watch the other video which explains how to enable Duet AI. I'll add a link to that as well. So once we click on Duet AI here, then we get the Duet AI chat box on the left hand side of your IDE, and if you click on the Cloud Code, here you will see the Cloud Code extension options, and if you have certain clusters running, or if you have certain cloud running in your project, you will be able to see all of those, your compute engine VMs on the project, and so on. Now how did I configure this project here? So when you install the Cloud Code plugin, you can go to help and feedback section, this one here, and here you will have the option to sign in and sign out. So when we sign in to Google Cloud through this extension, Then you are asked to also define which project you would like to have cloud code enabled on. So then you mention the project name, and you can even change those settings later on. For example, clicking on change settings, and here you'll have those settings where you define your project name and other such configurations. Even this is the same place where you enable or disable your Duet AI option as well, Duet AI extension. So I search Duet AI, and this is the setting where I have enabled Duet AI on cloud code, and that is what makes Duet AI appear on my sidebar. And here I am. I can use Duet to start helping me with my coding. So if you go here and open a folder, for example, you can either create a new folder, or you can use a certain application that you have been working on already. For example, I have this main.java file over here for a banking application, and say I want to understand what it is about, so I can select all of that. And since I have Duet AI, I have this smart actions pop up here, and I can use it to explain the code. I can use it to generate test cases. I can use it for auto completion and so on. So this is my pair programmer working alongside me. This is how you have your cloud workstation with Duet AI enabled. So we'll have more playbooks on specific use cases. Keep following and keep using Duet AI. Thank you.